Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Fair Oaks local, and long-distance movers near me. You are making a long-distance move when your new location is more than 50 miles from your present place, whether within or outside the same state. When it comes to long-distance relocation, 3 men and a truck is capable of giving satisfactory results. Our movers and drivers have professional working ethics. They are careful and conduct your move with expertise. Our drivers follow all the highway regulations. They are also fast and arrive on schedule at your new place. We work with authorities in charge of relocation and have adequate insurance coverage that covers the risks. We move your belongings to your new place in good condition. We are also the right choice if you are considering a local relocation. We can effectively work with your schedule and budget to ensure a successful move. We have assisted the locals in Fair Oaks, Georgia, in planning their moves over the years, and they can vouch for our exceptional services. Our customer care lines are always open, so you can easily access our movers. We also have enough trucks to attend to different clients at the same time. Also, our services are the most affordable in the city. Our hourly fee is between $30 and $40. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fair Oaks moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.